Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3, and today we are going to make the fingerprint sensor test. You will find the sensor on the right edge, and right now I'm going to make few tries. We are going to check how reliable and how fast is this sensor. So let's make few tries. As you can see, the sensor is very fast, but unfortunately it's not always working. So when I try to unlock and after that lock, as you can see right now, the power key is not working. So I have to wait a little bit and press it another time. Again, as you can see. So it's a little bit laggy. Maybe they will fix it in the next updates. But as you can see, it's still the same. So I think it's not the problem with the fingerprint sensor, but with the power key, honestly. So the sensor is very fast, it's reliable, it recognizes my fingerprint every time, but unfortunately the power key is not working always, like this case again. But the sensor is really fast. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.